Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Marissa. So today's video is going to be how to glow up from winter to spring. I figured this would be a perfect time to do this video because it's already March, like that's crazy. And where I live, it's already spring. I'm already wearing shorts, so I figured this would be kind of good. So I have a whole bag of stuff here that are essential to glowing up from winter to spring. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So the first tip to glowing up from winter to spring is obviously be confident in yourself and don't compare yourself to others. I know spring can be the time of the year where people are always kind of comparing themselves because people are on spring break, people are posting photos in their bikinis, people are tanning. So it can be a little bit hard to look through your Instagram feed and kind of just be confident. I get that, trust me, I do that too. I always compare myself to other people and my body, and I kind of body shame myself, which I shouldn't do because we should all just love ourselves and be confident within our own skin. You don't know the struggles of what that person that you want to be like is going through, so try not to compare yourself, just be confident in yourself, and that is the main tip on how to glow up from winter to spring. The second tip that I feel like really gets me into the spring mode, kind of makes me feel a little better about myself, is getting your nails done. I think the perfect color to get on your nails and toes for spring is definitely nude like I have on my nails, or a hot pink like I have on my toes, or just some sort of really nice like fuchsia pink color, light pink, baby pink, blush pink, like all of those, the nudes. I think that are so great for spring. This one is OPI in Madame President. I think this color is gorgeous. My friend actually got this for my birthday and it is stunning. So I think this is such a good spring color and such a good transition. The next tip is to exfoliate your body and your skin. We want fresh, clean skin this springtime. We want smooth legs and arms. We want it all. We want the goods. So what I do to exfoliate is I always use Frank Body. I think they have a great exfoliator. It is vegan and it's basically made out of just like coffee grounds, so it's really good for your body. There's no harsh chemicals in it. It smells like coffee. It's awesome. So this one is the body exfoliator, and this one is just the original coffee scrub. It says for smooth glowing skin. I love this exfoliator. It is amazing in my opinion. I just love it. And obviously for my face, I do exfoliate, you guys know, and I use the Frank Body Creamy Face Scrub. I believe I've used this in many videos before. This is my go-to face exfoliator. I exfoliate about 2 to 3 times a week. I love this exfoliator. Again, it's made out of coffee, it's vegan, it's so good for your skin. So let's see, what is in here? So walnut, grapeseed, coconut oil, vegetable oil, so a lot of good things are in here, no harsh chemicals. So I really do love Frank Body stuff. I do love their face mist, it's amazing. So definitely check them out. You can get them at Ulta and they're such reasonably priced, so gotta love that. Going along with exfoliating is obviously self-tanning, so or regular tanning in the sun. But having the perfect tan for spring is such a glow up because as you can tell, I'm kind of pale right now. I haven't really tanned. I tanned once outside yesterday. I kind of tanned a little bit fast, but still, I'm still a little bit pale for myself. I get super tan in the summertime, but going from winter to spring, we want that nice tan because we were pale and we lost our tan in the winter and now we want to regain our tan. So doing that, you can always go outside, get a natural tan. That's honestly what I do. I hardly ever self-tan. Honestly, I only self-tan if I'm going away or a special event, but just grab your favorite self-tanner and your tanner mitt and start self-tanning. I use the Loving Tan in medium. I don't like to do this super dark because I feel like it kind of looks orange. I think the medium kind of gives you just that nice overall bronze tan without looking too much as if it looks fake. So that's why I kind of do the medium to keep it more on the natural tan side. And this one's just the Deluxe Bronzing Mousse. So this one's like the 6-hour one. So mine's so dirty, but This is great for spring, just getting that nice tan. You can always just go tan outside. What tip are we on? I don't even know. But the next tip is obviously to moisturize. Moisturize your face, moisturize your body. So I just pick up any lotion. My friend got this for me. But this is like chia and rosehip oil. It says hand cream, but I use it all over my body. So just pick up any lotion that maybe has cocoa butter, aloe, and you're good to go, because then your skin will be so moisturized. Maybe get one that has a little bit of body glitter so you look a little bit glowy. You know, we have to stay moisturized in the spring. We don't want that dry skin, okay? We just don't. Another important tip, well, these are all important, but I think the most important, honestly, for your body or your face is definitely face masks. That is the perfect way to glow up from winter to spring. You want your skin to be clear, glowy, soft, and smooth, just looking fresh. So that's the only way we can do it is from face masks. I love this one right here. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. You put this on before you go to bed, wake up, wash it off, and your skin feels so soft. Your pores just look smaller. Your skin looks airbrushed. Like, it's amazing. I've gone through 2 of these little jars. I should just get the big one, but they're good to travel with. That's why I get them. So I love this little mask. It smells amazing. Your skin looks so glowy afterwards. I can't get over the smell. This is such a necessity for the springtime, summertime. I even use this in the wintertime, but to glow up from winter to spring, girl, this is gonna be your best friend. Another necessity for spring is obviously having glowing skin. So we want that highlighter. This one right here is perfect. This one's Essence Pure Nude. It's not too blinding, but it's more of like that natural highlight, that glow from within. I think that going from winter to spring, you really want that glowy skin. You want to look healthy and tan, you know, with your glowing skin. So that's why I go for this highlighter. The next tip to glowing up from winter to spring is definitely having that nice nude, light pink, clear gloss. In my opinion, I think that glossy lips is such a necessity for spring. I feel like that just gives you that natural, healthy glow. So this one right here is my favorite. This is the Dior Lip Maximizer Lip Plumper in 001 Pink. This one is like their best-selling one. I think a lot of people have this one. It smells like mint. It does tingle a little bit, but it's not bad at all. I think, one, the packaging is so cute. It says Dior on it. You can't go wrong. And it literally leaves your lips looking so juicy and plump and healthy, and it just ties your look together. So I think this is such a basic need for spring. Another tip is definitely getting the right perfume for spring. We want the fresh, clean smell, maybe florals, depending on what your preference is. I love anything floral and sweet. So I decided to go with Jo Malone. This is a little bit on the pricey side. That's why I have a little one, because this little thing is like $60. But this is the Peony and Blush Suede. This smells amazing. It's the perfect spring scent in my opinion. Like, it's sweet, but not too sweet. It's florally. I love this. My sister got me hooked on this. I love Jo Malone. This is such a perfect spring scent, but get any type of perfume that you feel like will make you smell really beautiful in spring, because, you know, the flowers are blooming and we want to smell like them. The next tip is obviously to have healthy hair. Maybe not long hair. I used to have long hair, but I'm dumb and cut it. But we want healthy hair, we want shiny hair, we just want the nice hair, okay? So what I do is I find the perfect shampoo and conditioner. I've talked about this before, but I use Function of Beauty. This is the shampoo, this is the conditioner. I picked out the color, it's so cute. I picked out the scent, so it's kind of like a floral scent. It smells amazing, makes your hair smell like you just got out of the beauty salon. So it smells so clean and fresh. But finding the right shampoo and conditioner is gonna be so essential for your hair, especially when it gets into the warmer weather. So perfect. and you customize your own shampoo and conditioner with Functional Beauty. It's kind of like a subscription, but you do customize them. So I did a whole video on my hair care routine, so if you want to see what I did in mine, definitely check that out. But I definitely did volumizing, strengthen, lengthen, which I do feel like my hair has gotten way longer since I've been using it, so I really recommend this. It's such a great price. So finding the right shampoo and conditioner is going to be so essential for glowing up, because we want that healthy hair. And my hair, like, I do a lot of heat to it, kind of. Well, not really, but when I do, my hair just feels so soft. My ends don't feel dry, so I feel like Functional Beauty has really helped me. So I believe those were 10 tips. I forgot to count, so I'm not sure, but I believe I planned it out so that there was 10. But a bonus tip is definitely adding some jewelry to your look. I think that it just adds such a nice, cute vibe to any type of look. So I just have my necklace, some hoops, some rings on the fingers, so I think that that is also a glow up. And getting ready for spring. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you glow up from winter to spring, or whenever spring rolls around for you. And yeah, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, follow my socials, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!